We are on Mother's Day out at our Global Family Farm, and we're planting and taking care of our Mother Earth today. Here we got helpers, woo! Watering the Swiss chard that we just put in the ground. And so we have what's called permaculture, polyculture, mixture of things together, a guild. Here's a plum tree with a Swiss chard, and so that's what inspired me to get more Swiss chard over here. Then this big stuff here in the middle is comfrey. It's supposed to help bring up minerals deep in the earth next to the trees. And we have some garlic planted here and a little bit of lettuce. So a little bit of mixture. That's how we do things out here. A little this and a little that. So that we could pretend like if we lived here, we would come out to our garden and eat from right outside our house. Yeah, this garden is organized by continents of the world. So I'm growing plants that are from Europe in this section in the north, and then in the east is Asia over there, and south is Africa and Australia, and in the Americas is the section over there with the teepee. So we're trying to grow plants that are indigenous to the different continents. Here's a herb garden over here, and I want to get some more vegetables in the ground. So right now we're clearing up the pathways a little bit. So come join us, our Global Family Farm. We're here on Sundays, 9 to 12. We're in San Luis Obispo, California, at City Farm Slow. Beautiful day. So in Europe you have herbs such as lavender, the calendula, tansy, here rosemary. So I have a whole herb section here. And then this herbs plants here is the Artemisia wormwood that they make absinthe drink from, and it's supposed to keep bugs away. All right, here we are, recreating the Garden of Eden together.